And I think we are live. How's it going, everybody? So, this is gonna be my first YouTube video about the stock market that I'm posting onto YouTube. And as you guys might know, if you guys followed me before, I usually post car videos and just vlogs about my day-to-day life. And yeah, I kind of want to transition this channel towards more of a stock market talk and discuss to you guys about how I've been successful in the stock market at the age of 23. I'm currently working full time right now, and I'm also a student full time at San Jose State University. I work at Google as a software QA engineer. So anyone that tells you that they don't have time for the stock market, they're making excuses for themselves. And I'm a living proof that I can work full time and go to school. I feel like I'm a little bit more stressed out than I should be, but I do believe it is possible if you want to be successful in the stock market. So today I'm going to talk about how I made $800 in today. I'm currently holding on to AMD. I bought it at $17 when the market crashed on October 24th. It crashed down from $22 to $17, and that was a perfect opportunity. After hours, it was crashing down, and everybody who got into it early saw that there was a potential for for it to go on to the uptrend. AMD was always selling, well, not always, but for the last 6 months or so, it was trading roughly around $24, mid 23, 22, and I knew that there was no reason for it to drop so much, right? I mean, if you go over to the AMD right here, looking over 10-day, 30 minutes, you can see right here, it dropped from roughly around $24, $22 all the way down to roughly around $17 on one after the market closed during after hours. I saw the perfect opportunity. I bought here, and I'm still currently holding on to it, but that's not important. I do believe that I can go up a little bit more than just $20. That's why I haven't locked in profits, but I will if I start seeing it go to 21, and I think that's when I will lock in profits. So as of right now, I want to show you guys IPI. Let's go to the 1 day, 1 minute. So IPI was a very interesting stock. You can see that it was consolidating roughly around right here. It was going up, and it was consolidating roughly around right here. I saw the perfect opportunity because I knew that for some reason that it was going to go on the uptrend. It wanted to go higher. I bought here at roughly around IPI at 407, but then quickly after it around power hour, it crashed down to 392, which was the lowest. And then I still held on. I bought a little bit too early, but I still held on to it. Then it quickly recovered right in the morning. And then for the next 2 hours, I was just seeing how it was going to trade. And I got out roughly around 413 because I started seeing it consolidating, and I saw some weakness. So I sold it at 413, and this is my profit, $88. TRPX, right? I saw that it has potential for the upside because it was trading between here, and from the previous charts, you can see that it wanted to go up. And currently, it was trading roughly around $6, and I knew that it had a little bit more room if it just pushed past this little area. It went up to $11 before, and I saw that it had potential, right? You can see right here from the old charts right here, it had potential. So I went ahead and I bought it, seeing that it could go up, and bought it right here, roughly around 603, right? And then after I bought 603, I went up here. I saw that it was moving up, but I was scared because I wasn't sure when it was going to crash. And it was bouncing roughly around this upper channel, right? Bouncing on top of the VWAP, staying on top of the SMA line. And seeing that, I saw the perfect opportunity. I was like, I'm going to keep going, right? But then right after 688, it started going down, right? And then I started saying, you know, it's still trending. I saw weakness. I sold right here roughly around 663 was when I saw the weakness, and I just sold it. So I made a profit of $196, which is pretty good. IGC, wait, did I have my IGC? Yeah, no, I didn't. IGC is a stock that got relisted after it was too volatile, right? If anyone that been trading stocks for a while, they know about IGC and how it would fluctuate up and down, and it's just shady. It's a shady stock. It's really strange. But they relisted it after they took it off as an OTC, and they added another C right here. So they relisted it. They added up, and I saw that usually that it would trade up pretty high. So I saw the potential of the uptrend right here. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm still trying to figure out this whole system. And yeah, so IGC, I'm sorry. I bought roughly around 133. And you can see that it was bouncing on top of this SMA line and bouncing right between the purple VWAP. It was still trading between this channel right here. I saw a potential in the uptrend. So I went ahead and bought 133. The next morning, I held it on and I sold it roughly around 175, making a total of $417 profit. and the total share I had was 1,071 share. And I thought this was a perfect play because from previous trades, IGC was a company that was super volatile, and you can see it jump from like $1 to like $7 in one day. And from previous trading experience, I seen this, and I knew that I had more room to go to the upside. But I knew the next day it was gonna be kind of choppy. But you can start seeing that it started going up after I sold it right here around 175. You can see that it was getting really choppy because as right here, you can see the RSI was a little bit overbought. So it started crashing down a little bit, and I saw that, so I sold it. And then, which was a good thing because it went down to as low as 131. And yeah, that's gonna be my talk about how I made $800 today. And you know, I want to let you guys know that everything I'm trading is based on my opinion. I don't want you guys to think that, oh yeah, I should make a trade because of what Brian is saying. And I've been super successful in the stock market at the age I am right now, and I hope that in the future I can show you guys on how I was able to be successful in the stock market. All right, guys. So going through the video earlier, I was seeing that there were some questions that I wanted to discuss that I didn't. So to first start off, I wanted to discuss that no, I do not day trade as much as I would like to. Reason being is because I do have a full-time job, 40 hours a week, and I do go to school as well as a full-time student. And to be able to manage day trading all the time with a job and school, it's kind of hard to manage. So my approach was to swing trade. I have found that I've been more successful in swing trading more than being a day trader. Reason being is because when I day trade, it's hard to see where I can set my stop loss and scalp for like small plays, and I just felt like I wasn't as successful as if I was to swing trade. And that's the reason why I mostly swing trade. And I'm here mostly because I want to be able to help you guys. I want to you guys to avoid any mistakes that I've made in the past, and just, you know, learn from your mistakes and understand that the stock market is a very risky place to be. But if you know what you're doing and you understand fundamentals and you understand how the stock market works and read patterns and charts, you will be successful. And I want to be able to be the catalyst for your success. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and message me directly through my email, or even message me on Instagram. I'm more than happy to help you guys out, and hopefully I can be a catalyst for your success. So subscribe, like this video, and let's profit together, guys. Have a good one.